This is section 2.5 part 2. We are still working with direct variation, and we can see that variables x and y vary directly. So whenever you see directions telling you that two variables vary directly, that's essentially the problem telling you you have direct variation. So we want to write an equation that relates x and y. And then once we do that, we're going to find the value of y when x equals 7. So in our first problem, we can see x equals 6 and y equals 9. Since we know we're using direct variation, we're going to use our direct variation equation, which you can, if you remember from part 1 of this section, is y equals ax. And our problem gives us the value of x, also gives us the value of y. So we'll simply plug in the values into their proper spot. So I've got 9 equals a times 6. I'm going to want to solve for a, so I'm going to divide both sides by 6. These a's cancel. And I can see a equals 3/2. Once I know the value of a, I'm going to go back to my direct variation equation, and I'm going to plug that value back in for a. And I will now have a direct variation equation. Y equals 3/2 x. So that's this step, write an equation that relates x and y. So that's one part of our answer. Next, we want to find y when x equals 7. So I'm simply going to take this 7 and plug it in for x, and then find what the value of y is. So I see y equals 3/2. Plug in 7. Y equals 21/2, or 10.5.